Hi! In front of me is Oukitel C33, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by going into Sound Recorder app and hitting allow in the pop-up if you never used it before. Then allow in the other ones. Now, before creating your recording, select this gear at the bottom left and adjust all of those options however you wish to, like for example, format. Then go back, and by tapping on this red button at the bottom in the middle, you can start your recording. In order to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, you need to unpause your recording first. And then click on this left button. To end it and save it though, click on the square on the right. As you can see, my recording was successfully saved. In order to access it, click on this right button now with 3 lines. Then to play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it, go back to Recordings list, hold it, tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner, and select Rename option. Then you can type in wherever you want to, and click on Save. If you want to delete your recording instead, you need to hold it as well. But this time tap on this bean at the top right corner and confirm your choice by hitting allow in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!